Okay, so in this question we're told the lines AB, CD and EF are parallel. Angles 96 and 60 are marked in the diagram. Calculate the size of the angles marked X, Y and Z. X, Y, Z. Okay, so this question is about angle facts of parallel lines. So we'll start off with the angle X. We can see the angle X makes a Z shape with two parallel lines and a transversal or line crossing it. So that's going to be 60. Now, you're not being asked in this question, just for future reference. The reason that is because it's an alternate angle. Okay, X is alternate to 60, and so that means it's equal. Okay, we move on to Y. Now, we see here Y has two parallel lines making a U shape. Some people talk about an F shape because they continued on here. But anyway, because it's two angles inside a U shape, they add up to 180. So if that's 96, this is going to have to be 84. And let's say the reason we give for that is it's an interior angle. These two angles inside two parallel lines have to add up to 180. Now that leaves us Z, and we see Z is the third angle in that triangle here. Okay, so it's going to have to make these add up to 180. So 60 and 84 add up to 144. So to make that add up to 180, this is going to have to be 36. And the reason is the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Now, as I say, you haven't been asked for the reasons in this question. You don't have to write them in. I'm just doing that to, it could be part of the next question. Okay, now, in the next question then we're being asked to find that the triangle has some lengths marked on it. So there's an 8 here, there's a 14 and a 20. Calculate the area of the triangle. Okay, so the area of a triangle, I'm sure we all know, is half the base by the height. Now, the thing about these two is they must be at right angles to each other. I'll say that again. So the base and the height that you're using have to be perpendicular or at right angles to each other. So in this question, the 14 and the 8 are at right angles. So they're the two that you're going to use. So it's equal to a half times 14 times 8. So that's 7 times 8 is 56 centimetres squared. The unit's already written in for us, so we're okay there. Okay, now so you've got to be careful. They put this 20 in to confuse you. But when you're finding the area of a triangle, it's half the base by the height, and the base and the height have to be at right angles.